Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a simple Google site homepage and link subpage under it. Even if you have never used Google site before, don't worry, I will guide you step by step and explain everything means. Now by the end of this video, you will have small website ready with a clean homepage and two linked subpages. It's a great for portfolios and school project or small businesses. So if you don't know what is the Google site homepage and subset a subpage, so it is basically homepage is the main front page of your website. When someone types in your site link, the homepage is the first thing they will see. For example, this one, this is a homepage. As you can see here, this is a homepage of this website. Now, a subpage is a page that lives under the homepage. Think of it like a menu. For example, if your homepage is my portfolio, then you can have a two subpage called projects and contact me. These subpages are linked section for your website that people can click and explore. Now let's get started. So first thing first, what you have to do is open your browser and go to site.google.com. As you can see here, I have already signed up with the site. Now make sure you are signed up into your Google account. Click on the plus icon. As you can see here, these are templates, but they are not that, they are not useful. They are useful, but in some cases. But right now, this is a blank site we will create from scratch. This creates a new blank site. This opens up the Google Sites editor where we can design everything. Like we can add anything, we can design from scratch our website. Now let's create the homepage. You will see default blank page. This is your homepage. This is our homepage. Now let's give it the name. This name will be my portfolio. My portfolio. And then at the top left, click where says United Untitled. As you can see here, you can change the name from here. Now, after changing the site name, it will change this logo section as well. If you want to change, you can change from it here. You can add a logo as well. Just simply click on this. It will take you to this pop-up where you can upload your logo or icon. It is simple as that, or just simply click on upload. It will take you to this. I will just click on the open, and we have successfully, I think, uploaded the brand image. Just let me show it is working or not. Select. Okay, I have chosen the wrong section. You have to choose on the first. As you can see, whenever you change the text, you can give a text as well. Now just simply click on the cross. Now, if you see over here, this is a title. Yeah, this is your page title. You can change that something like "Welcome to my website." This title will like the first thing that we user will see. So I'll add that "Welcome to my portfolio." Just simply scale it up. As you can see here, scale this with. Okay. If you want to change the font, you can change from here. Just simply select the text and you can change the font size, font, and all of those things you can align with as well. Now, below that, let's add a short paragraph. Now, what you can do to add a short paragraph in the left side, you will get to see there is a text box. You can just simply drag that text box into uh, this page. Just simply drag into the section. What I will do is just simply drag. As you can see here, you can type anything over here. This is for the description. Now what I will do is I am a good video editor and filmmaker and video producer and lot of things I do. Don't share. This is a stupid description. Don't make sense. So just for the tutorial, I have added this description. So if you want to change the description font, you can change it by selecting. Now let's add image over here. Now click on it, click on the upload image. Now choose your image which you have created in Canva for your homepage design. I will just upload a random image over here so you will get the basic understanding how you can do that. I will just simply select this girl's image and put it over here. So it will replace this gray area to a image. So yeah, now if you want to add like content, blogs or whatever you can do, you can do. So let's add 2 pages over here just to show. Like you can add the video, you can add a lot of things. If you want to build your portfolio using Google site, you can do that, or you can search in my channel where I have already created a video, you know, where I have explained and created a portfolio website using Google site. So just for tutorial, I will just simply add this, add these two. So how I will show how you can create a sub page. Now now just let's create a sub page. Now what you have to do is just on the right top corner you will get to see there is an option called pages in the right, as you can see here. Now in the bottom there is an option called plus. Just simply hover into it and click on the new page, and or just simply click on new page and give a name. Like it will create a new page. So for example, I will do my recent projects. Simply click on the done, and then again repeat the process. Click on the new page and contact me. So these are 3 pages. Now how you are going to make the sub page of this home page? So what you have to do is just simply drag this uh, page into the home. As you can see here, we have successfully made our sub pages. Now, as you can see, let's preview our site. Now, whenever you click, it will something show look like this. Now, what you can do is just simply come over here and add things which you want to add. Right now, I'm not going to do that because it will take a lot of time. And yeah, this is how you can make a sub page. Whenever something, if you want, for example, again, I will show you test. If you made this page again, and if you want to make sub page of this home page, what you can do is just simply drag it into home, so it will make the sub page of home. So let's preview our site how it looks like, and uh, if we need to change something we can change over here. Now just simply click on the save and then click on the preview. Now this is a large screen. Now maybe I'm making something mistake. Okay, there we go. We have three. Okay, we don't add the menu or on in top, so we're not able to. Okay, we have already added. This is the by default. Now, if you see in the home, whenever I hover on the home, it will give me two options like project, contact me. You can just simply click on the project. It will take you to project page. Now, if you want to link this page with this two uh, content blocks which I have created, like this one, what you can do, you can add image. You can add image, give the text, for example, project, see my project, and contact me, and just simply select again, click on the link, insert link, and select the project, and it apply. So whenever some user will click on this link, it will take you to direct to that page which is project. Now we will do again with contact me. Click on the apply. Let's see publish. So click on the preview. So whenever someone click on this link, it will take you to project. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can do that, and this is how you can link the page in Google site. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.